Hi, this is Fumichika. Today I would like to talk about audit report and support summary report. When the sales requested you to send you the audit report, please go to the Easy Admin and then go to Start and then Management and then Audio Report. And then you can download it as a PDF. Yeah, so you can download it, so you can save it on your desktop and then send it to the sales. And then when the support requested to the support summary report, you can go to the administration, system and security, and then logs and report, and then support report generate. And then download, save it on desktop, and then send it to support. Thank you very much. Bye now.